Hello friends and welcome back to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite salad that I used to make back home. This is a cucumber salad, super easy to make, less than 10 minutes. This is one of those salads that are so good and so delicious, but it doesn't have that high rank because the way it looks. So let's start with chopping off our cucumber. What I have here is organic cucumber, but you could use any cucumber. I'm going to shred this, but if you don't want to shred it, you could go ahead and slice it thinly. I like to shred it because it releases more juice. And the juice of the cucumber is actually good for you too. So this is something like depends on your preference. I like the juice, so I leave it alone, but you could always use a strainer and strain that juice. What I have here is a quarter size of red onion. Just simply dice that, add it to the salad. I also have fresh ginger. You could also substitute that with a powdered ginger. Moving on to the sauce, what I have here is white wine vinegar. You could use any vinegar that you have, white sugar, or substitute that with honey, sesame oil, garlic powder, garlic with Himalayan salt, or whatever salt you have handy. Also a little bit of soy sauce. If you don't have soy sauce, maybe a fish sauce. Add spicy vinegar. If you don't have spicy vinegar, this is really up to your preference. You could also add red chili flakes. Give it a mix until combined, and simply give it a taste. We're looking for a sweet and tangy sauce. Once it fits your preferences, go ahead and add it to the chopped cucumbers and give it a mix. Make sure they're well incorporated. Again, this is really up to your preference. You could add more sugar if you want. I'm gonna provide a description, ingredients down in the description box. Once they're all well incorporated, it's ready to serve. Less than 10 minutes, the salad should be done. It's very good, very delicious. I wish this has more kind of ranking, but this is one of those salad that looks really not appetizing, but it's actually good. You will not regret it. I hope you give this recipe a try. Please come back and see us. I'll see you next time. Ciao.